The paper title is Towards Capturing Mango Grading from Human Expert Using a Comprehensive User Study. Here is the other author of this paper, Nazifa and Muhammad Hafiz, Syukur Sanim, and Ray Andale. So we all from Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Science, University Technology Mara, Cawangan, Perlis. So this paper is under track 1, Computer Science Engineering / Information Technology. Okay, so here is the content for my presentation. We do have the introduction, and then problem, and then the motivation of this paper, and then followed by the proposed method, a comprehensive user study, and then we discuss about result and discussion, and lastly is about the conclusion. Alright, so let's start with the introduction. Okay, as we know, in Perlis we do have the famous mango we call the harum manis, and then all the grade is done by manually using the human expert. So the term of human expert, okay, refer to a person who grade the fruits using their eye and hand. So normally, the human expert have influence, okay, based on their background, experience, and expertise, right? So due to this subjectivity of the human judgment, so there are no conventional rule, okay, for evaluating the mango. So therefore, in this study, we offer a solution for this problem. So we propose, okay, to model the uncertainty of a human expert subjective view on the mango grading based on a comprehensive user study. Here is the problem. Let's say we ask, okay, 4 experts to grade 2 mango. Okay, so we can see the result here. Okay, they do have the inconsistent of answer, or we call it is uncertainty, okay, between the expert. Okay, for example, here we can get the different answer for certain mango. Although we do have the guideline from the farmer, but we still have inconsistency in terms of the result, okay, due to their subjectivity view of human expert. Uncertainty in terms of the answer because due to the uncertainty and also the subjective measure. So the motivation of this paper, okay, so this paper is the first study that assess human grading on the mango using user study. We like to model the subjective view of the expert because of there are no standard way process or to analyze the human expert grading. So here is the first step. We would like to access, okay, from the human perspective to grade the mango. Okay, here is the proposed method, the overview. We start with the user study. We ask expert about the size, about the color, about the skin of the mango, and then they will give the rate for 11 mangoes, right? And then from the answer, we extract all the rule base, okay, for the expert 1 until the expert 5. Because of due to the limited space, I just show the 4 experts. And then from all this result, okay, we would like to do the statistic score, the agreement score for all the expert for particular of input size, input color, and input skin. Okay, let's say here is the situation. Okay, if we give a mango to the expert, all right, and then we show to them, okay, it will be easy to grade. Okay, this one might be a grade A. Okay, most of the expert will agree this is a grade A. So maybe the most of expert also will agree this is a grade C. But however, what happened on this picture on this mango? So it might be a grade A, it might be a grade C as well. So some expert will give a different answer. So from the first here, okay, from that scenario, we propose some of the method with the following step. Okay, the first is rule to generate from the expert. Okay, we ask the 5 experts, okay, to rate the 11 mango based on their size, color, and skin, and then we extract all the answer and then put all together into the rule base. Here is the example for a rule base from the expert 1, okay, for 11 mango, M1 until M11. For example, the expert 1 give a rate for the M1, for the size is small, for the color is poor, and then for the skin is poor. And then for all that answer, the final grade, okay, the expert will give grade is C. Okay, the rest is the same, okay, until for the 11 mango. Alright, and then the second step is we would like to, okay, from all the answer, we would like to see the analysis on the expert different for each input size, color, and skin. For this case, we would like to do the pairwise comparison. Okay, here is the example, the pairwise between the expert 1 and expert 2 for the input size. Okay, as we can see here, all right, the study revealed that the majority of answer graded by the expert 1 and expert 2 based on the input size were similar with the accuracy with the 91%. Only one of the answer is give a difference. Okay, so we can see here from the pairwise comparison for the individual input. All right, so the next step is we would like to see for the whole. So we do the level agreements. Okay, we find the agreement score between all the experts. Okay, for the answer for the input size, color, and skin. For this case, all right, for example, for the input size, all of the 5 experts is agree, okay, with the score of the 0.9. Okay, it's very near to close to 1. They are very identical for all of the result given by all the experts. For the input size, they all agree, okay, for the input size of 11 mangoes. Okay, however, if you can see for the input color and input size, input skin, they have the diversity of answer given by all the experts, which is the score is less than 0.5. So we can conclude here. Here is the diversity answer given for input color and input skin. And then lastly, we would like to combine all of rule, okay, given from the 5 expert. Okay, we use the very simple integration strategy here. We use the average strategy to average all of this result, and then we can get all of the final set of rules. And then we come to the conclusion. Okay, we conclude here. We have to contribute to the agriculture fields, specifically a method to collect a mango grading from the human expert. And then we conduct a user study with 5 experts in order to determine whether they are agree or with each other. And then using the simple integration strategy that I mentioned just now, using the average strategy, so we are able to extract the final set of rules given from the 5 experts. And then we can conclude that the final rules, okay, appear to be promising for application in the mango grading based on the current evidence. However, yes, obviously we just test on the 5 experts and using the 11 mangoes. So therefore, in the future, we would like to investigate, okay, with the various aspect of the integration strategy, okay, in order to provide a comprehensive strategy for merging the rule with many human experts, okay, and also with the large number of mango samples. And then I would like to note as well, okay, in this strategy also can be adapted to the other type of rule. Okay, here is the the first step to show how we can extract the rule, okay, given from the expert. How the way that we can go to the ground rule to get the rule based from the expert. Okay, I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for your time. Okay, here is our contact, okay, email address. If you have any question, feel free to contact us on this email address. I think again that's all. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum.
Hi, we welcome all forms of collaboration with our Deep Learning and Machine Intelligence Research Interest Group, ITM Perlis. All you need to do is send us an email. We'll take it from there. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is free, and you'll motivate us to post many helpful videos in the future. So please, subscribe.